Hey all, I'm Abby and I've got my brand new Ozobot. It's the Evo Starter Kit for home use. Comes in a pretty neat package. You can see exactly the bot you're getting. Got in the box right there, so there's no surprises. We got a robot, the experience pack, markers, there's some stickers, and my USB charger. That's what I'm looking for right now, is I'm gonna get this thing opened up and ready to charge. So there's some stickers here on the side. I'm gonna peel those back. And then, ta-da! Okay, this quick start says I can power it on, charge, and then connect. Definitely want it charged in time for the first use. So that's how far I'm gonna take it today, is getting that USB out of here and plugged in. So what do we got here? We've got an experience pack. So that's got probably those activities in it. Color code markers. I'm sure there's the same 4 colors I expect. Yep. I'll do another video just on markers for this bot. Here is the experience pack. I'm looking for that charger. I bet it's in here. Some characters, stickers. There it is. Little standard micro USB. Kind of itty bitty, so I'm willing to bet I'm going to wind up finding a longer cord. I have some 6-footer micro USB chargers that might be a little more flexible and useful. Okay, so that's the experience pack. Set that aside. Now I got to get this thing out of here. Okay, there's a pull tab. It says pull here and lift top. Pull, okay. Lift, oh yeah, so that was holding on those little ridges there. Pull here. Oh, yep, that comes right out. Very good. What do we got? Press button to lift Ozobot. Press, oh, it pops right out too, so careful with that button. It just flew right into my hand. Okay, so here is our bot. Look at that itty bitty thing. Little tiny wheels, some LEDs and sensors. Very cool. There is my USB port. So plug the micro USB right into there, and then I'll go find somewhere to charge it. Cool. That's it. Now we can get it charged and get ready to play.